From these textured walls to the simple wood, it feels grounded to the earth.
A fine place for a simple laugh.
I reckon you don't see a sight like this every day. Just look at this mighty beast resting easy by the river.
That sun-drenched coat makes him look like a true king.
He's got a steady gaze, watching the trail and us too.